All right, this is your try 3 final problems number 17 and 18. It says write the tangent ratios for angle P and angle Q. Remember, tangent equals opposite over adjacent over it. So we're going to start out by figuring out which angle we're going to look at. Let's say we start with P. My opposite is across from P. It's going to be 16. My adjacent is right next to it. It's going to be 12. Remember this one here, your longest one is your hypotenuse, so you won't use those for any of your tangent ratios. So if you want, cross out anything that has a 20 in it, because we're not going to use 20. Now if I'm looking for tangent of P, we're going to do opposite over adjacent. So my O over A, O is 16, and A is 12. So tangent of P is 16 over 12. It looks like our answer should be C, but let's double check. We're going to look at Q. Opposite Q is 12. That's going to be my O. 16 is going to be my adjacent. So the tangent of Q equals O over A, which is 12 over 16, which matches our answer for C. For 18, we're writing the ratios for sine of A and cosine of A. Remember, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, we're going to start out by figuring out which angle we're looking at. We're talking about A and labeling our sides. Across from A, we have O, which is 24. We have our adjacent, which is going to be 10. And then remember, the one across from your right angle is your hypotenuse. If we start off with sine of A, we're going to do opposite, which is 24, over the hypotenuse, which is 26. So 24 over 26 for sine of A. That means I can eliminate options D and options B. And then if we're doing cosine of A, we need adjacent, which is 10, over hypotenuse, which is still 26. So we should have sine of A is 24 over 26. Cosine of A is 10 over 26, which is going to be C.